Tonight, 2 Investigate shines light on a niche industry on the internet that some say feels like extortion. We're talking about websites that post mugshots after someone's arrested and will only take them down if you pay them.
A new law makes it illegal in California, but KTVU's Melanie Woodrow found it is still happening, and she's here now with what our investigation uncovered.
Frank and Julie, there are dozens of websites that post people's mugshots. That is not a crime, but taking them down for money is a crime. And there's no guarantee your mugshot won't pop back up again. Repetitious and futile.
Let's play whack-a-mole.
That's how some people describe the real-life frustration of websites that post their mugshots online and will only take them down for money.
This mugshot company really destroyed my life.
This woman asked us not to reveal her identity. Her alleged crime?
I was arrested for shoplifting. That's the only mistake that I did in my life.
And even though the 2008 charges were dismissed, the case expunged. Years later, she says, her friends began asking her about her past. The reason? They Googled her name and saw her mugshot online on a site called mugshots.com.
Every single time I see my mugshot appear on the internet, it always remind me about my family. I don't want to hurt my family.
There are many websites that publish mugshots. That's not illegal. The issue? If you want your picture taken down, some sites will unpublish mugshots for a fee.
And that's where they cross the line. That's when they violate the law.
Brian Kabatak is an attorney representing mugshot victims in a California class action lawsuit against one of these sites called justmugshots.com. The law he's referring to went into effect January 1st, after he already filed his lawsuit. It makes it illegal for any mugshot website to accept money from Californians in exchange for taking down their mugshot, regardless of what state the site or its servers are in. But 2 Investigates found evidence the practice is still going on with some websites.
They say, we don't want to talk to you any further unless you agree to make a payment.
How much money do they want?
$400.
Like this woman, I clicked the unpublished mugshot tab on mugshots.com and called the 800 number that came up. The person who answered said for $399, they would unpublish a mugshot from mugshots.com. When I asked about that new law, the person on the phone said it was a national website, not bound by California law. The state senator behind the law says that's not true. Senator Hill says what these sites are doing can feel like extortion.
If we can eliminate that profit part of it, that if they can't make any money, then they're not going to do it.
I wanted to ask the site's lawyers about their practices. The lawyer for justmugshots.com, the site named in the California class action lawsuit, emailed me, "We have no comment." So I looked to the site for answers. On justmugshots.com, under lawsuit threats, it says, we are not in the extortion or defamation business. And to date, we have not lost a single lawsuit, and we do not expect that to change anytime soon. As people whose mugshots have been posted to these websites try to clean up their online reputation, one payment is usually not enough.
They may stop, the first site may stop, but a second will pick it up, and then a third will pick it up, and a fourth will pick it up.
Which is why this woman says she hasn't paid to have her mugshot taken down.
It will come to no end.
Even though she worries it could keep her from finding a job.
I just want to have a better future.
While it's not always clear who is behind these sites, their motive may be more clear.
I have absolutely no doubt that this is millions and millions of dollars that we're talking about.
Senator Hill says if the sites don't stop accepting money to remove mugshots, he'll go to the state attorney general. Civil charges could follow.
In some cases, they'll charge you a few $1,000s and say, we'll take it down from every one of them. But it never works that way, and it always pops up again.
JustMugshots.com made a motion to dismiss the class action lawsuit. It was denied. The website's lawyer is currently appealing that decision. The class action lawsuit seeks to get victims who pay to have their mugshot taken down their money back. It also seeks an injunction preventing the site JustMugshots.com from doing this again in the future. But again, Frank and Julie, that's just one of many websites that are presumably doing this right now.
And you were saying that these websites grab these mugshots really quickly. So if you're arrested in some cases and cleared right away by mistake, they still have your mugshot out there and they can still post it, right?
Exactly.
All right, Melanie, thank you.